Hi, crypto fans. This is Jason from SA Crypto. And today, we are going to be discussing Algorand. I am going to tell you what the project is all about, how to buy ALGO, some of the best wallets to use, and more. Remember to hit that subscribe notification button to get notified when we cover our next whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. Algorand technology is trusted by more than 500 global organizations, and it enables the simple creation of next-generation financial products, protocols, and exchange of value. Algorand provides the decentralization and scalability required by financial institutions and governments, and guarantees security with a foundational network that has the built-in transactional speed to power a new wave of DeFi and the future of finance. Not only is Algorand a leading technology company, but it is specifically designed to be the most efficient and environmentally friendly blockchain available on the market, offering a blockchain that is fully carbon neutral. Algorand is building the technology to power the future of finance, the convergence of traditional and decentralized models into a unified system that is inclusive, frictionless, and secure. The main focus of Algorand is to provide a scalable and secure blockchain platform that is faster and safer to implement on a wide-scale basis within the developing decentralized financial sector. Algorand has earned its place in the top 20 largest cryptocurrency projects, with a market cap of about $12 billion. So who created Algorand? In 2017, Silvio Micali founded Algorand, and he oversees all research, theory, security, and cryptography of the company. He is a professor at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology and is the recipient of the 2019 Turing given by the Association for Computing Machinery for contributions of lasting and major technical importance to the computer field. Algorand is a fully decentralized, secure, and scalable blockchain that provides a platform for building products and services to create a borderless and digital financial economy. Using pure proof-of-stake protocol, Algorand is able to achieve the three key elements of an ideal blockchain: scalability, security, and decentralization. The proof-of-stake protocol is also entirely carbon neutral because it doesn't rely on massive electricity consumption needs, unlike proof-of-work chains, making Algorand a sustainable and eco-friendly blockchain. Algorand is currently capable of hosting decentralized application development and providing scalability. It also allows developers to use the Algorand Standard Asset Protocol to create new tokens or to transfer existing tokens to the Algorand ecosystem. ALGO is the name of the native token of Algorand, and it is used for paying network fees when a transaction is processed, while rewarding users who hold coins in their wallets, staking it. Users who hold the ALGO token in their Algorand wallets earn daily rewards, and it is credited to their wallets instantly. ALGO has a circulating supply of around 6.1 billion tokens, and a total max supply of 10 billion. In most instances, you will have to open an online account with an exchange that sells ALGO, and then you will need a compatible crypto wallet before you can purchase or sell ALGO. There are currently 44 Algorand exchanges where you can buy, sell, and trade ALGO. This coin can be bought using most major fiat currencies, being the US dollar, euro, or Great British pound, and in most cases, it can be exchanged with other cryptocurrencies. You can also buy ALGO with Tether, True USD, Binance USD, and 4 more stable coins. One of the most trusted exchanges for trading algo is Binance. The MyAlgo wallet is a web-based wallet designed by Rand Labs, a specialized team on Algorand technology. The safest form of storage is a trusted crypto wallet with good ratings to avoid the theft of assets, the loss of access keys, and so that you know you truly own the coins and tokens that you purchase. Some of the top 3 wallets include the MyAlgo wallet, which is a web-based wallet designed by Rand Labs, a specialized team on Algorand technology. The Atomic wallet is a third-party wallet created by the Changelly crypto exchange team, and users can quickly access and easily exchange between more than 60 different cryptocurrencies. Coinomi is a popular wallet that supports more than 125 different blockchains and thousands of associated tokens, including ALGO. So what do we like about Algorand? Algorand is unique because it has created a decentralized, secure blockchain ecosystem that is fast, reliable, and environmentally friendly. Algorand achieves carbon neutrality in the Algorand network by eliminating the need for mining and gives users the option to become validators simply by staking their ALGO tokens. As a leader in eco-friendly technology, Algorand has inspired other organizations including Climate Trade, Planet Watch, and Global Carbon Holding to align with their focus on sustainability, setting a new benchmark and high standards for blockchains around the globe. If you are interested and would like to learn more or get involved in the project, be sure to follow the links in the description. And that is our overview of Algorand. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comment section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. And that's it from me for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.